To activate Shopify Payments, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the home screen, look for the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the sidebar menu. Click on it to open the full Settings panel. Once you are in the Settings menu, you need to locate the Payments section. It is typically represented by a credit card icon. Click on this to enter your store's payment provider settings. Inside the Payments section, you will see a list of available payment providers or a banner prompting you to set up Shopify Payments. If you see a button labeled Activate Shopify Payments, click it. If you do not see this immediately, Shopify might first ask you to select your business location or confirm your store's currency. Make sure the country and currency are correct, as these cannot be easily changed after you process your first order. The next stage is the Setup Wizard, where you must enter your business details. You will need to provide your employer identification number or social security number, depending on your business structure. Fill out the legal business name, your personal address, and the details of a business owner or representative. Shopify requires this information to comply with banking and identity verification regulations. It is critical to enter this exactly as it appears on your official tax documents to avoid a verification failure. After submitting your details, the verification process usually takes between 24 and 72 hours, though it is often instantaneous. Once approved, your payments will be active. Go back into the Payments settings to configure your payout schedule, choosing daily, weekly, or monthly bank deposits. You should also review the fraud prevention settings, enable credit card types, and verify that the two-step checkout authentication is turned on to protect your transactions. Once this is complete, Shopify Payments is fully functional, and you can begin accepting customer orders.